What's up, guys? So I am gonna just start sanding the Jetta, like all the shitty looking paint and stuff and the roof, get this ready to wrap and get this ready to Plastidip and stuff. So we'll see how far I get. It's kind of cold out, so I don't really want to do that, and this is just a not very well insulated garage that I have. So the doors are open and hopefully it'll get a little bit warmer in here. If not, then I'm gonna stop. But that's what I'm gonna do today, so let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I finished for the most part. There's still some stuff I'm gonna do, but it's getting there. Kyle showed up. He brought the extension cord because I could only reach to like here. And he says that my face is super blue, so hopefully it's not as bad as he says it is. But we got it going, and I mean it's pretty soft everywhere. I'm gonna go around like where I didn't hit it and just like scuff it up a little bit so the paint sticks a little bit better. But there was a lot of shittiness and my camera died, so well, you didn't see anything except for the roof. But like right here and on that side too, it was just like they like painted over some rust or something because it was just like bubbly and weird. So we're getting there. We're gonna look at some dip tonight and hopefully pick something out. Yeah. Thanks for watching this little bit of me sanding, and I'll keep you guys updated.